School's Patriot Marching Band. I hear them coming up. They have 150 members, ages ranging between 14 and 18. They are entry number 041 through 44. Beckman High School is proud to present its award-winning 150-member Patriot Marching Band under the direction of Jim Colias. A two-time California Distinguished School, Beckman High School has established a tradition of academic excellence and maintained a strong music program. The Patriot Marching Band has performed throughout California regularly, earning sweepstakes awards for their performances. In 2008, the Patriot Marching Band earned an invitation to perform at the National Cherry Blossom Festival Parade in Washington, D.C. They have appeared on regional TV and also performed at the World War II and Jefferson Memorial. On New Year's Eve in 2008, the band appeared on MTV's Miley Cyrus Surprise, which aired nationally. In 2010, the band became the first Orange County band to appear in the Kingdom Day Parade in Los Angeles and appeared on ABC and Music Stage. The band is also